Hi, this is Akash, and today I'll show you how to install icloudpd on your Ugreen NAS. With icloudpd, you can download your iCloud photos to your NAS. This is, however, an unofficial method, which means that if Apple changes things at any time, then you will not be able to access it again. It might be broken. Okay, so we will use the official image here. They have given a nice compose file. They have also given all the environment that you can use in the example.env. Based on this, I have created my compose file and we'll use this compose file. So let's go to Docker, click on project, create, give it a name. This is the compose file. Image name, we are going to use the official image. Container name, restart policy, your time zone, you can change the time zone to whichever time zone is yours. Your Apple ID that you're going to use to log in. Synchronization interval is the interval at which it will check for new files and download them. So this is here. If you see, they have given it 21,600 means 6 hours. You can give it 12 hours, 24 hours, or anything in between. All right. I've used 6 hours. User ID and group ID will come from here. Your PUID is your user ID, PGID is the group ID, so that you don't have any permission issues on the files that are downloaded. Two volumes will be created for you automatically. One will be config within the same directory. Config will hold your configuration, and all your pictures will be downloaded to this folder called iCloud, which will be in shared folder docker IC55, which is your project directory basically. All right, so let's click on deploy. Okay, this is running. Go to the logs. If everything goes well, you will get your first error message that keyring file is not created. All it means is that you have not yet authorized your user. You have only given a username here. We never give the password, if you see, right? If you look at your compose file, we only give an Apple ID. We never give the password. So now we have to, first thing we have to do is we have to authorize ourselves. So for that, we go to containers, go to icloudpd container, go to terminal, add a terminal. Okay, now this is your container terminal. Whatever you run here will be run in that icloudpd container. The command that we have to use, you don't have to guess at all. Here it says that keyring file does not exist. Please add the password to the system keyring using the Initialise script. And the script is sync-icloud.sh. This is a script with Initialise argument. All right, here we have to run this. So go to terminal and run this. sync-icloud.sh with Initialise parameter. This is what we have to run. Okay, it asks you for the password. Enter iCloud password. So we'll enter that. Save password, yes. Now it asks me for the validation code. So this is 321176. All right. Once we add the validation code, it will authenticate you. Now this didn't work. Okay, we'll again get the SMS. Okay. All right, here this is done. Two-factor authentication is complete. Authentication completed successfully. So if you see here, authentication is completed and the multi-factor authentication cookie is also generated. Once the cookie is generated, till the cookie is expired, you will not have to re-authenticate again till that cookie is there. All right. So let's look at the log now. Now you will get into a second error, which is actually just a warning file, which says that Failsafe file home user iCloud dot mounted is not present. This is actually just a warning. So if you look at the file, you will see in configuration they have a failsafe feature. Unless you have a file called .mounted file in the directory where you are downloading stuff, it will not start. Okay, this is just to make sure that it doesn't fill up the root volume of your host. So all we need to do now is this file home user iCloud mounted. We just have to make this file, right? So copy this, go back to your terminal and run touch home user iCloud mounted. So what we have done basically is we are saying here that we need a file called home user iCloud dot mounted. This is the file we need. With touch command we are going to create it. This is like saying create a file under home user iCloud name dot mounted. That's all we're saying. Do that. It runs. Go back to log. Generating list of files in iCloud. Alright, so now this is taking. This may take. Alright. So if you see this, the next download is at so and so. So this is done. Now let's check whether the files are actually downloaded. So go to shared folder docker under IC55 under iCloud. You will see two directories 2019. This is based on the exif data. Yes, you have the first pic that I uploaded, and you will have 2026-01-05. Yes, two are here. Exactly what I had uploaded. So that's all that you need to do to download your iCloud. Remember, this will always be a one-way sync, which means photos will be downloaded from your iCloud to Ugreen. They will never go from Ugreen to iCloud. If you remove any image from iCloud, they will not be removed from Ugreen at all. So this is a one-way sync only, um, with no file deletion at all. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment box and I'll come back to you. Thank you.